Hey, how's everybody doing today? I was finally able to get out and work on my 70 Dodge Charger. I got my finally got it painted. Let me show this to you right quick. To me, a black on it, and the House of Color clear, and I also wet sanded it, and with 4,000s, it was 6,000s, 8,000s, and I think it was 12. It's pretty decent. I still have a few spots I got to work on, but all in all, it came out looking pretty good. I also painted my dash, firewall. That's done. Getting ready to put that together. And I got my chassis, my seats. Got that done. And here's my hood. Probably gonna start putting it together this evening when I get a chance. There's the bottom side of my chassis. Got that painted, and my engine as well. Needs a closer look at that. So I'll give you an update tomorrow or another day once I got all this put together. So I appreciate it. Thank y'all.